Episode 4, Commando 14 Trainer Mode. Short press MDL button on the right side to enter the model setup. In Model Setup, select Trainer to enter the trainer mode settings. Set the mode to Master or Jack. After setting up, short press the ENT Confirm button to exit. In the Special Functions page, create a new logical switch. Move the cursor to the plus sign, then press ENT. Set the function to Trainer, the value to Axis, and enable it by turning on Enable. Edge TX System Slave Mode Settings. Also in Model Setup, select Trainer, enter the Coach Mode settings, and set the mode to Slave or Jack. After setting up, use a double-ended Type-C data cable to connect the Type-C instructor interface of the two remote controllers respectively. After the trainer mode presses the corresponding switch, the function will be enabled. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.